Queens spotted this Paris Fashion Week. Looking fabulous si global kapuso fashion icon Heart Evangelista kasama ang singer-songwriters na sila Ellie Goulding at Avril Lavigne. Elegante si Heart in her gold bronze metal and crystal top habang nanonood ng fashion show para sa isang luxury brand. Nakachika pa niya si Ellie while on front row. Are you ready for the time of your life? Magbabalik Pilipinas ang R&B superstar na si Neo for his Champagne and Roses Tour. Sana you're not so sick of love songs dahil this October na yan. Ilan sa hit songs ni Neo ay ang Miss Independent, Closer at iba pa. To anyone is ready to come back home? Ayon sa Korean media, usap-usapan na nag-meeting ang 4 members with an executive producer tungkol sa kanilang possible reunion. Kinumpirma naman niya ng YG Entertainment pero wala namang idinagdag na detalye. Last May sinelebrate ng grupo ang kanilang 15th anniversary. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Nelson Canlas ang inyong saksi.